Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to fix an issue that you will face when trying to send your logs from your Springboot application from logstash to Elasticsearch. You have already enabled the security feature. So have you watched in my previous video? So I have already my instance of Kibana already working. But there's a problem when you configure your Spring Boot application to send the logs through logstash. So let me show you what I am talking about. Okay. So let's say that you know you have already installed and running up your ELK stack, and what I am trying to do is to send these logs, right, the logs from this simple Spring Boot application to logstash. Okay. So what I need to do is just execute this command. 1 second. I will just start, this logstash command in order to open it TCP port and receive the logs from my application, right? So basically, I am pointing here to my application configuration logstash file, and there we go. Okay. So as you will see, this will be fine if we, you know, haven't enabled our security feature. But after our last video, so we already have enabled that feature. And as you can see here, we are not able to send the the logs from my application to Elasticsearch. You can see here that we are receiving from Spring Boot our logs. Let me show you here. Okay. So we are basically saying, Spring Boot is able to connect with logstash, but logstash is not able to send the logs to Elasticsearch. Okay, so how to solve this? So let's see. So what we need to do here is in our configuration, right? So we need to add this property to the Elasticsearch, and you need to point to where Elasticsearch is storing the certification, right? So basically, if you have already installed this locally, so you need to go to the Elasticsearch install files and just go to config and search. So this is the search that you need to pass, the path of this file that you need to pass to your logstash pipeline configuration. And we added this here, so we should be able to send the log to Elasticsearch. Okay, so now let's execute this again. Let's stop our logstash instance and let's just open it again. And as you will see, we will be able to receive in Elasticsearch all of the logs that our Spring Boot application is sending out. Okay, so let's give it 1 second. 1 second. Okay, TCP open is open, right? It's open and listening from what Spring Boot has to say. Okay, so now let's deploy again our application, and as you will see here, you will be receiving our logs from the Spring Boot application, right? And now let's go back to Kibana, go to the menu of observability, and let's go to log, and there you go. So we have here already our logs being printed uh, with Kibana, fetching from Elasticsearch. So how can we tell that this is working? So let's call our test endpoint, and we should see here some logs already being sent from Springboot. Okay, so let's click on refresh, and there you go. We have some logs from our application. We can add here some properties that have been sent from Springboot level of our log, and yeah, there we go. I think that we are all set. Allowing logstash to communicate via cert and with the security feature enabled. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video.